Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to cover how to design a Shopify store like a pro. Whether you are a beginner or looking to step up your design game, this video will help you create a professional, eye-catching store that converts visitors into customers. Let's jump in. The first step is designing your Shopify store like a pro is to choose the right theme. Shopify has many themes to choose from, both free and paid. When selecting a theme, keep these things in mind. Mobile responsiveness, ensure the theme looks great on mobile since most shoppers browse via their phones. Clean layout, choose a theme with a layout that suits your brand and product categories. Customization options, opt for themes that allow you to easily customize fonts, colors, and elements. Some popular themes to consider are Pivot, Bookline, and Minimal for beginners. And if you need something more advanced, check out Turbo or Prestige. Once you have picked your theme, it's time to start customizing. Click Customize. Here you can adjust the theme's layout, colors, fonts, and more. Let's walk through the key elements to customize, like logo. Click on My Store tab. Or click Add Block or Add Section. Click Theme Editor, then click Select and upload your logo from your desktop. Then select it and click Done. And look like that. And you can resize the logo. So choose 60 pixel for that. You can add favicon from your desktop. Then colors, add colors like that. Choose a color from here. You can add animations, buttons, or many other options like here that you can see. Then typography, choose easy to read. Fonts, stick with 2 to 3 fonts at most to keep it professional. Colors, pick a color palette that matches your brand. Then click Save. Your homepage is the first impression customer get of your store, make it count. Start by organizing your homepage into sections. Hero images, a hero image or slider. Use a high quality image or slider that represents your brand and products. Make sure it's not too crowded. A simple clean design works best. Featured products, showcase best sellers or new arrivals on the homepage to grab attention. Now, let's design your product pages. This is where customers decide whether to buy or not. So it's need to be perfect. Here are a few tips for designing professional products. Images use high quality zoomable images from multiple angles. Show the product in use if possible. Detailed descriptions. Write clear, concise, and persuasive product descriptions. Highlight key features, materials and benefits. Pricing and shipping information. Display the price clearly along with any shipping or tax information. Transparency is key. Product reviews. Add a review section to build credibility, and don't forget to strong CTA button or click through click to action, call to action button like add to cart. Website speed is crucial for user experience and SEO. A slower loading store can load to high bonus rates. To optimize your store's speed, compress images. Use tools like Teeny PNG to reduce image sizes without losing quality. Shopify offers tons of apps that can help you enhance your store's functionality. Here are a few apps every pro Shopify store should consider, like Klaviyo. Go back to Shopify App Store, then click Shopify App Store. Now search for Klaviyo for email marketing automation. Then Yotpo for adding products reviews. Overlow. If you are into dropshipping, Overlow helps you source and import products in seamlessly. Don't forget to optimize your store for mobile. Most shoppers use mobile devices to browse, so it's crucial your store looks just as good on a smartphone as it does on a desktop. In Shopify's theme editor, you can toggle between desktop and mobile views to make sure everything is aligned and readable. Just go to online store, then click view your store. View as or click customize theme. Now click on desktop site or mobile site icon like that. So that's it. By choosing the right theme, customizing it for your brand, optimizing your product pages, and enhancing with apps, you can create an amazing online store. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.